Brother? It's okay, I'm hungry. Move first. Brother?
Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back to the channel. After having a wonderful breakfast at Ravait restaurant, Karimabad, Hunza, we started our journey to the beautiful Attabad Lake, situated 14 kilometers upstream from Karimabad on the Hunza River. There are rocky mountains on the one side and deep down Hunza River on the other side, and in between, the wonder road of world Karakoram Highway. The lake was created due to a huge landslide occurred in the village of Attabad in January 2010. A portion of Karakoram Highway along with Gulmit, Husani and Gulkin villages were also submerged due to the rising waters of the lake. To reconstruct the Karakoram Highway, 24 kilometers were again built on some elevation. Alongside many bridges, there are 5 tunnels of approximately 7 kilometers in length were built. Attabad Lake is approximately 21 kilometers in length and has a maximum depth of 109 meters. Let's have some beautiful drone shots of the lake.